Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're doing the unboxing of the GameSense MVP wireless gaming mouse. My first impression, I really love how this box looks. It looks freaking awesome. So look at the back. At the back is 60 million in clicks. Not the black. Correction. On the side, the right side of the packaging, you got 60 million clicks, and it also uses on the side buttons, which that is awesome. Uses the 3370 pixel sensor, 75 milligrams. Ultra light with no holes. So 2-year warranty. This is how the mouse looks. So it looks like the Intelli mouse that I used to have back then when I was like a really young person. So I'm excited to try out this mouse. So let's open it up. And do I have? Yes, I do. Alright, that's done. Let's get this shit out of the way. And what does it come in the box? Let's see. There we go. Ooh, the mouse itself. Ooh, ho ho ho. Really comfortable. Let's do a quick sound test. Ooh, the side buttons on this is nice. I love it. So you have two RGB zones. One at the bottom, the logo itself, and of course you have the, I think this is change profile. This is turn on the mouse, and this is where you store your USB wireless receiver. Now there's a clear plastic right here that I had to get rid of. I want to be very careful. So let me put this in the side. Camera's gonna drop. This is how the mouse looks in my hands. Really comfortable. Wow, this thing fits like a glove. I kind of like how this thing feels in my hand. Way much more better than the Fanatic Boat, to be honest. And also, I did return the Ninjutsu Super Light because it was a little bit too big. And I want to try this company to see how it fits in my hand. And it fits really good, which I'm excited. So, what else it comes with? It comes with a USB and USB Type-C. That's awesome. And what else? Oh, I can't take this off. Oh, that's weird. Okay. More information. Thank you to buy a product and also download and install the firmware. Ooh, this is nice. I like this. Comes with extra mouse feet. Thank you, GameSense. So I'm gonna plug everything in. The only thing is, I think it doesn't come with the. Nope, it doesn't come with a USB receiver, which sucks. That would have been nice if they did have it. Not receiver, sorry, adapter. Sucks, they don't have that. So I'm gonna have to figure out another way how to do this to make this work. If anything, I'm gonna have to buy one from Amazon. Screw it. Alright, stand by, ladies and gentlemen. Let me plug this baby back in and let's do this. Okay, so I already plugged the mouse in, ready to go install the software. I really cannot wait to play with this mouse and have fun with it. Now, the build quality, I forgot to do this test. It does sound a little bit flux over here, but it looks like it's gone. Or right here, you can feel it. But then after a while, it looks like it kind of goes away. But I cannot wait to play Escape from Tarkov tonight with this baby. Really fucking comfortable. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, comment, subscribe. Please be safe. Any questions, you know what to do. Ask the questions down in the comment section. Until then, I am signing off. Have a good day.